Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to install Google Play Store in any China mobile. First of all, you go to the Wi-Fi settings. This is my network. I've connected it, so you have to connect your own Wi-Fi settings. Then you go back. After connecting to a network, go back. You go to your browser and you type Google installer APK. You see it to open. Then you click this one and you come to this place. Then you click download. Download is totally free, so don't bother, don't worry. Click OK and click open. Okay, then you click install. Wait for it to install, then you click open, then you click install. Okay, what this does is it will give you all the necessary packages that is needed for Play Store to work on your China mobile. First, the service framework. Okay, you hit install, you click allow, you click done. Okay, it will take you to the next one that is needed for Google to work, which is Google Account Manager. You click install, you wait for it to install, then you click done. Then it will move to the third one, the third packages that is required for Play Store to work. You wait for it to count and download the firmware. Okay, it's almost done. Once it's done, it will pop up on the screen for you to see. Okay, the file is big, that's why it's taking time. It should be the service, Google Play service. Okay, it's usually the biggest file in the Play Store installation, so you have to be patient for it to install completely. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, yeah, it's done. You click install. Okay, if it shows this, that means the version you downloaded is low. You have to re-download it. Normally, the installation is supposed to go 100%, but if yours did not go 100%, what you have to do is you just click your browser, you search for Google Play Services, you come down, and you click download. You download it, but I have it already, so no need. You cancel, wait for it to download, then you install, then you go back, you search for Google Calendar Sync, Okay, usually I use this APK mirror, but you can use anyone depending on your choice. You download the latest version and you install. This is if the Google installer did not complete 100%, but normally the Google installer is supposed to go 100%. But if it does not go, what you have to do is use another way. So you search for, after the Google Calendar sync, you search for Google Contacts sync, the same APK mirror. That's what I prefer to use. Then install. Then the final one is the Google Playstore. APK. Make sure all you download the right version, the latest version. So you come here, you download, and you install. I have it already, so no need. Then you go back to your menu. After installing, you come back to your menu, you go down, you see your Play Store is here. So what you do when you open the Play Store, you sign in your Gmail. I have my Gmail signed in already, so you can search whatever you want to search. Video editor, see it's working. You can download any app you want to download, update anything. It's working perfectly. So the first app to download is Google Service Framework, if you want to do it manually. After the framework, you download the Google Account Manager. After the Google Account Manager, you download the Google Play Services. After the Google Play Services, you download the Google Contact Sync. Then after that, you download the Google Calendar Sync. Then after that, you download the Google Play Store itself. And that's all. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we make another video. Bye.